welcome back. In this video we will see how to check if any object exists in our Salesforce org or not. So we will be playing with two objects in this video. One is account and second is code. So if I go to object manager and search for account, you will see the account object. And now if I search for code, it is not available in my Salesforce org. So let's write the code to check if account exists in the org or code exists in the org or not. So for that I will open my developer console and go to anonymous window, and I will write the code. So let me create a boolean variable exists, and here let me also make it a little bigger, and I hope the code is visible. After that, boolean exists schema dot get global describe dot contains key, and here we have to give the API name of the object which we want to check. So for account, the API name is account, so I will write account. After that, let me give a condition. If exists, if it is true, I will print a debug log account, or simply print object is available, and on the else block we will print object is not available. It is not available. And now let's select wall code and click on execute highlighted. Once we click on execute highlighted, the debug log will open, and click on debug only, and you can see object is available is printed because account object exists in this org. Now let's search for code using the same code. So I will remove or replace the account with code and select wall code and click on execute highlighted. Again a debug log will open, and you can see now object is not available is printed. So this is the specific method which we can use before executing any code for any specific object. If the object exists, then we will run a specific portion of code, else we will not run. And if you love this video, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We will see some more concept in the next